Hey, it's Megan here, and in this video I'll be reviewing this EZBASICS Facial Cleansing Brush. I'll be sharing why this is a favorite beauty tool of mine and what's really surprised me with it. So let's get into it. I bought it for exfoliation because I get a lot of dry skin on my neck in particular, and I can 100% tell a difference. It's definitely taken some dry skin off, and my skin feels super soft every single time I use this. So really happy with that. I also bought it for deep cleansing, so getting in some of the pores and different things like that. And I noticed a few reviews say that, it doesn't clean off all of their makeup, and I actually don't use it for makeup removal, and I really would prefer to not put this on my eyes in particular. So I really just use it for my face and my neck. It has 5 speeds of vibration, and I saw a few reviews that also said it doesn't vibrate a lot. So you adjust the speed by simply pressing this button. So you can press it once for the first speed, and then you can press it from there to get to the additional speeds. I personally, just personal preference, I only like it on the lowest speed, so that's what I keep it on. It does come with a wireless charger, and here's what's really surprised me. I have had this for over a year and I have not had to charge it one time. So I'm really impressed with the battery life on this. And then finally, it is completely waterproof. So I usually use mine in the shower and it has stayed in great condition. So overall, I'm super happy with the EZBASICS Facial Cleansing Brush, and I hope you love it as much as I do.